Human brain development. 5 distinct life stages revealed new research from the University of Cambridge and the University of Pittsburgh identifies 5 major epochs of brain development and decline, spanning from infancy to late life. Using extensive MRI data from over 3,800 individuals, neuroscientists have pinpointed key turning points at ages 9, 32, 66, and 83, demonstrating that the brain isn't static, but undergoes significant rewiring throughout a lifetime. Childhood and adolescence. Rapid growth and pruning. The first phase, from birth to age 9, is marked by rapid expansion of both gray matter, containing neuron bodies, and white matter, connecting neurons. This initial surge creates an overabundance of neural connections, resembling an overgrown network. However, as puberty approaches, the brain undergoes pruning, eliminating less efficient connections to streamline functionality. The second epoch, adolescence, sees continued white matter growth alongside further network refinement. This stage is characterized by hormonal shifts and increasingly efficient communication between brain regions, a process that continues through the early 30s. Adulthood and early aging. Stabilization and subtle decline. Contrary to previous assumptions, the brain doesn't fully mature until around age 32. At this point, neural architecture stabilizes, with regions becoming more specialized and compartmentalized. This stabilization phase lasts approximately 3 decades. Around age 66, the first signs of neurological deterioration appear. Brain networks begin to thin as neural connections weaken and efficiency declines. This gradual reorganization likely correlates with natural aging processes and white matter degeneration. Late aging. Cognitive shift and local burden. The final stage, after age 83, is marked by a distinct decline in whole brain connectivity. As global communication deteriorates, local networks take on a greater cognitive load. Why this matters? This research provides critical context for understanding brain function at different life stages. The study highlights that cognitive vulnerabilities, like learning difficulties in childhood or dementia in old age, may be linked to these specific developmental phases. Further investigation into these epochs could lead to more targeted interventions and better management of neurological conditions. These findings reinforce the idea that the brain is constantly adapting and that its architecture is inextricably linked to our life experiences.